am finished. I am finished. They look a whole lot better than what they was. They're not ugly nails anymore. They're beautiful. They're natural. They're put together, and now, once your nails are finished, and when you go be at the salon, and then they'll take finish filing and buffing and stuff, and she usually tell you to go wash your hands after they polish, but I've already done all of the filing and buffing and everything, and now the last step is to put oil. But before I put oil on my nails, what I'm gonna do is I am going to wash my hands, and I'm going to use some hand scrub. This is the satin hand scrub. You can use whatever hand scrub you like. This is really, really good for me. And the hand scrub is going to, you wash your hands, but the hand scrub is going to exfoliate the dead skin off of your hands, the skin around the nails, and we're going to refurbish that too. Your nails are looking good, so let's let what people would say the cuticle area, but let's let the skin around the nails look really nice as whatever, and it's going to rejuvenate your skin because now you have the new skin cells that are exposed. So let's and be generous, like, what I'm saying, as much as you need. What I'm saying, your skin is thirsty, it's dry, you need to remove some of those alligator flakes. So go ahead and scrub. I'm going to go ahead and wash this off. I'm scrubbing and rubbing it in like this, just to exfoliate. I'm going to go put some water on this so that it can get into it even more. And then I'll come back and put the oil on my hands and put some lotion on. I had to show y'all how that looked when I put some water on it. And you see how it ain't got all foamed up and everything. Yeah, just like soap, huh? I just used the satin hand scrub, and it foamed up, and so it's getting my hands nice and clean as well as exfoliated. So yeah, all right, let me go wash this off, y'all. All right, so I'm back with some nice, clean, rejuvenated hands. My nails are done. I feel so much better. I used some hand scrub to exfoliate the dead skin off my hands and to liven it up, to refresh. Oh my goodness. So now I'm going to use some coconut oil. Yes. And this is my own personal bottle because it has the brush on. Because, when I use this brush, y'all, I'm one of those that like to double dip. So, what I'm saying? Like, I have no problem with double dipping, especially when it's my own. And I just spilled oil in my lap. Oh, well. Okay, and then so I rubbed it in, but I didn't rub it all the way in because while I have the oil around the skin on my nails, I'm going to go ahead and put some lotion in the palm of my hand to go ahead and massage my hands. Now, it doesn't feel as good when somebody else do it, but, nobody else is here with me right now, so I still got to get it done. Yes, my skin say thank you. I hear it now. I hear it now. And speaking of putting some lotion and oil, I need to put some coconut oil on my face. I use this other whipped butter, coconut butter that I had brought from, y'all heard of Buff City? I'm gonna have to show y'all that. Anyway, but yeah, I use it for my face. I don't know. But anyway. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, listen, my hands look better than my face type stuff. It's just about empty. Oh, and before I forget, you guys, y'all know how I'm always talking about the DIY nail care kits that I customize for you, for DIYers who love to take care of their hands, feet, and nails and don't rely solely on the nail tech because nobody should know your nails better than you. Yes, you guys, oil and hand lotion comes in your nail kits along with at least 10 other nail care items that are very essential. So you guys make sure you hit my website